Even though not the second time.
What's that?
He was fighting him. He's fighting him.
Elbow, elbow, heavy, heavy. Get him reacted.
Your partner did. I didn't see the hip do that.
Right there, elbow lead. Get it, get it, get it. 2 hands left.
Watch junk.
Use that high. Use that underhook to a high crotch. And out. Nice again. Use that. Nice. Left, left. Don't. Watch inside trap. Use that. Don't hang there.
One minute.
Come inside. He's reaching. Hey, use those heavy hands to the leg attack. Come on, let's get one, let's get one. Get him reaching. He's elbow lead there, elbow lead. Re-attack, re-attack. Sweep, sweep, get him off your chin. Sweep, circle. Wrist control, go sweep. Slide. Use that underhook. Just score, score, bounce. Pick. Short time. Hey, that's twice. Twice he's at the edge. You gotta be careful there.
What happened?
Injury time, red.
How much time's left in the first period? How much time in the first period? There's only 10 seconds in the first period left?
There's only under 10.
Oh, okay. 10 seconds. Yeah, I guess, yeah, because they went out.
Cut. 10 seconds. Ready? Cut. Four, 3, 2, 1. Red, first choice to green. Down. Green, set. Back cover. Set.
Change it over, you got it. Good job, hand fight here. Elbows. Good, good. Decide when it's time to go. All right, good job, get on. In and out, you dictate that time. He's reaching, he's reaching. Come on, you dictate it. He's right, look how heavy he is on that. Jody there. Slide by, use the slide by. Jody.
Let's go.
Head position.
Mm-hmm.
Roll your head out here.
Now fingers, watch it.
Circle left. Use your head position.
Circle in.
Circle left.
Fingers. Out of.
Elbow lead right there, duck. Duck. Now you duck under, don't drive. Slide by. All right.
That's what we need right there, center.
It's there in center.
We need one.
Re-attack. Right there. Bounce. Go. Score. Right there. Circle out. Yep. Come on, Trent. You dictate those times. He's reaching. He reaches. You go, Jody. That side. You reach right. Underhook. You've been called. You got to work in. You got to circle in. Don't let him just push you. Throw by. Throw by. When he comes up, throw by. Throw it right there. Slide by. Use that underhook. Hey. All right, so you know he's trying that. Let's come on. All right.
You all right? You got blood?
Hold on, I think they...
Good? Let's go, get on the line.
Score. Don't go out. You've been called. You got to circle in and work it.
7. 3.
Nah.
2. 1.
You've been warned, so if he gets to his feet, you got to return him.
Make sure you
One, not two here.
be nice and smart. You know what you gotta do.
High pace. Set. Up. Clear hands.
Come on, you're good leg attacks. He's hard. Heavy hurt on that right. Right there. You got to go. Right there. Come on. Let's go, Trey. Get one. Get it. You got it. Lift. Watch that throw. Throw by. Use that underhook side. Watch. Don't push back in. You just pushing. You got to circle. He's across there. You score. Elbow lead. Bounce.
Go to it. Lead out.
Watch that. Hey, that leg attack is there.
One time green. One green.
We have water.
You got a water to rinse? Hurry up.
Should I swap this?
Okay.